The recently launched cryptocurrency Chia has apparently been advertised on AWS Web Services' Chinese site as a way to use its cloud computing storage to farm it or mine it.
Amazon AWS China published a campaign page that claims in as little as 5 minutes, users can deploy a cloud-based storage system to mine or farm the native cryptocurrency on the Chia network XCH. The Chia project is a unique platform that allows you to farm cryptocurrency for free. All of the cloud services can be accessed with just one click, and after creating your plot, all you have to do is wait as it generates coins in real time. Amazon AWS has a number of helpful tutorials for using the cloud services that teach how to create a wallet, create plots, and begin farming. We have come to understand the service is specifically targeting Chinese users as they've only created a campaign page in simplified Chinese, and it is clear that Chinese investors have become increasingly interested.
Now, this is interesting for a number of reasons. So Chia, which launched its kind of trading and everything on Monday, is mined sort of using a proof of time and space, which is basically using unused storage on computers to mine it rather than like proof of work or proof of stake, and proof of work in particular, which is somewhat energy intensive and controversial, as we've talked about on the show before.
The framework Chia is built on is designed to use hard drives rather than the energy intensive proof of work model used by Bitcoin. This method is called proof of space, and they are claiming to be an eco-friendly cryptocurrency. They are creating a decentralized storage network that will allow people more control over their data and what is shared with other parties. The mining industry is entering a new era of bigger and better. The storage capacity from the network has grown to 1 exabyte, equivalent to 1 million units of hard drives that are storing 1 terabyte each. Where this is exciting stuff for the mining industry, it doesn't come without struggle for a different industry. The recent pandemic slowed hard drive production. Bitcoin and Ethereum mining saw an increase, and retail investors in China started fixating on mining. Storage device supply companies seem to be overwhelmed, resulting in major price surges. Some name brand models have even seen 100% plus increases in price. In fact, according to an article by The Block last month, hard drive manufacturers are feeling the pressure amid increasing manufacturing costs due to increased demand stemming largely from miners looking for ways around skyrocketing electricity rates in many regions across China. Many are skeptical of the hard drive shortage. Stacks of hard drives were visible in front yards and garages across the country. In some cases, people are hoarding supplies to flip for profit. The market may have much more hard drive supplies than we are led to believe. There have been reports that certain dealers or wholesalers may be trying to hoard their stocks before selling them off with high price tags. Regardless of the setbacks, this new form of mining or farming is absolutely expected to evolve the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. That's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have an opinion. We'd love to hear it, and it greatly helps the channel. We'll see you on the next one.